I stood center stage in an empty room with a net of words falling over me. There was splitting bone and feathers growing as the makers grinned to see me floundering. Every time I try to say my name, squawk and squeak, there's no words I can say. For I am a bird now, I am a bird now, I am a bird now, I am a bird now. She kissed me on a bus, and from then I dreamed I was powerless to most anything. Now when people talk, or I do the same, I find my tongue come wrap itself around my every time I try to shift the blame. Squawk and squeak, there's no words I can say. No one seems to mind my beacon claws. Keep my photo in a dresser drawer. For I am a bird, I am a bird.